Gold school! New school, new look.
Oh my gosh!
Rumi is a golden star. Mira gets cardboard school. Cardboard makeover. That actually looks awesome.
Oh
Girl,
my
that's epic.
God.
Dollar school.
Hello, rich life!
Oh my gosh, that's a first. And new,
Where's my outfit?
something went wrong. Quick, to the workshop. Step right in, let's get started.
Oh my God.
So many bucks!
Okay, I need a thin strip. Snip right here and pleat it up. My sewing machine. 1, 2, and the skirt is done. I'll add a belt made of bills. That's a vibe. What about the top? I've got an idea. Let's check the purse. Not this, not that either. Oh, yes! Fold the bill into a triangle and voila! A stylish top. Final touches, hair clips. And fancy shoes.
Comment wow dollar DIY if you loved this craft. So, what do you think, girls?
Wow, that's wild!
I've got cash for everyone!
Hey, no time to waste. You've got class. Off you go. You're first. See you after school.
Bye!
See you soon. Everything is cardboard. So cool. Class, meet our new student.
Hi.
My name is Mira. Did you see her?
Yo, she is so pretty.
Take a seat.
Oops.
Oh dear, there aren't any left. What are we going to do? We need to find you a desk right away. Maybe over here? Nope. How did this happen?
No.
Don't worry. Okay. This is not cardboard style at all. It's way too plain. All right, where's the material? I'll place the piece and trace it with a pencil. Cutting it out with a craft knife. Decorating the edges with cardboard shavings. Now adding some glue. Carefully attaching the legs. Perfect. Let's add a backrest. A little shelf for notebooks. And I'll make the stickers myself. Cutting them out. And decorating the desk. Gosh, I wish I had a desk like this in school. Subscribe to the channel if this craft was easy. All set. Wow, a cardboard desk.
Oh my gosh.
Awesome, I love it. Biology class. About duckies and frogs. I love duckies. And I love frogs. I love them all. Aw, that's so sweet. Who do you like more? Drop a duck or frog emoji in the comments. Cutting them out with a craft knife. We need 2 big pieces and 1 small one. Gold foam sheet for Rumi and sparkly green for Zoe. Here's the gold foam. Trace once, trace twice. Pieces are ready, time to glue. Better not breathe. Perfect! Attaching the side panels. The gold one is almost done, but the green needs more details. Zipper, cool pockets. Just one more thing. Hey, what's this? Diamond painting kit. Got distracted. I can decorate the backpack with this. Carefully sticking on the gems, right along the edges. Amazing! A few extra touches. Final step, stickers. Oops, too big. Now they're just right. Drop a green heart in the comments if you love Zoe's backpack, and a gold heart if you're Team Rumi. All right, beauties, all set. Put them on, it's class time. Ooh, our doors.
I can't wait! Let's go! See you later!
Bye-bye. The girls' classrooms look amazing. And here are their desks. La la la.
OMG!
Oh my god.
That sparkle! I can't see anything. Wait, that's Rumi!
What?
The one and only? Wow, we're your biggest fans.
Oh, wow, really?
I've been to all your concerts. Sing for us.
That's a great idea. Oh, where's my microphone? Oh, here it is. Sing along with me. Did this class just turn into a concert?
Wow, so cool. Oh, 1 second. That's better.
Ahem. Oops, the teacher. What's going on here?
Oh my god.
Sorry, miss.
No.
What's all this noise? And without me? What a twist!
Hey, Dollar Vibes. This place is awesome. Oh, who are you? That's my seat. Oh, sorry. I thought it was free. So where do I sit?
Wow.
Your special Super Dollar desk.
Woohoo!
Wow! Class, we have a new student. Wow, who is that? This is Zoe from Huntrix.
Now that's an entrance.
What a great start to music class. I'll turn on the projector.
Oh no!
It's broken. Oh, what do we do now?
No worries, we'll find a replacement. A TV, a little turtle, an iPad is perfect. Oh, wait, no, a huge iPad.
Nice.
Craft knife and clay. Hold on, that doesn't match the theme at all. But this stand is awesome. Let's glue it to the foam sheet. This side looks great, but there's another one. Trimming the extra bits. And the back layer is ready. Now the screen. Green means dollar. Drawing it. Oh, wow, so pretty. Gluing it on with hot glue. Nice and careful. Yes, nailed it. Adding app icons to the home screen. But something's missing. And here's a photo of Zoe. Boom! Looks super cool. A little gold won't hurt. Right? Perfect! Sticking ribbon along the edges. Screen is done. Now the back panel. Ooh, money rain. And of course, the Apple logo on the back. Gluing on the camera. Ah, what a fabulous tablet! Leave 10 of these emojis in the comments if you can recreate this craft. That was so easy! Great! You can start the lesson.
Oh, such a huge screen. But how do I press anything?
Did you see that? Don't worry, I've got something else for you.
Yay!
A pick-me pointer.
Okay, right here, opening the program.
That's a treble clef.
Your task is to draw it. Here are your papers and pencils. Yay, I love drawing. You may begin. Thank you. I believe in you. Easy peasy. Let's do this.
Who's faster? Yours turned out great.
Well done, that's correct. And good job to you too. Is Zoe not finished yet? I can't get it right.
Oh, darn.
Sweetie, need some help?
Huh?
No, miss, I got this.
Let me take a look. Dollar, dollar, dollar. Well, almost. Not bad, Zoe.
Sorry. Not everything works on the first try.
Time for lunch. The most important thing is picking the right container. Let's see. Yes, this one. I'll need gold tape. Oh, it's so thin. You gotta be careful. painting the inside with gold acrylic. I just love everything shiny. Covering it with foam sheet, tiny utensils on a tray. They'll be neatly tucked inside the lid. And now, magic. Yummy. Hands off to my lunchbox. Rate this craft from 1 to 100 in the comments. Hey, Rumi, this one's yours.
Yay!
Ooh, a golden lunchbox. What's inside? Hands off my lunchbox? Then whose is it? Of course, it's yours, sweetie. That sign is for everyone except you. Right. An apple, I love it. That smells so good. Can we have a little? Uh-oh, it says no touching this lunchbox. No apples for us then. Hey, wait, help yourselves. We're friends. So tasty.
I feel like we're forgetting something.
Of course, you have rehearsal. Better hurry. Oh, right, let's go. Good girls, and I've got something to do. That's the life of a craft master. Sometimes you've got to dig through the trash. Hey, give that back. Those are exactly the pieces I need. That's it. Hey, how about some juicy watermelon?
Love it!
Perfect. This will turn into an awesome synthesizer. Adding glue and attaching the parts together. And now, magic. I said magic! These edges ruin the whole look. I'll cover them with corrugated cardboard. Putting the stand together. This is so cool. Let's test the sound. Wait a second, the keys don't press. Oops, you're right, I missed something. Corrugated cardboard will save us. Coating it with white acrylic. Drawing the black keys. All right, now it definitely works. Hey, why are we still in the workshop? Let's rehearse, girls. Yeah. The sound is amazing. Your turn, Rumi. Today, I'm on the harp. Zoe, sing.
Oh! My voice! Wow, it's Huntrix!
This is not how we planned it. Girls, relax. Let's start over. Huntrix, Huntrix, Huntrix. Yes, let's rock it.
We did it!
Girls, you've got a new keyboard player. Oh, what's that? The star of the show. What a cutie. Derpy, may I? I need this for a craft. Our beauties are heading to graduation. Cardboard, gold, dollars. Oh yes, let's begin. We're making graduation caps. Cutting out 3 foam squares. Yep, perfect size. Gluing narrow strips along the edges. For the top, cutting strips and rolling them up. Now the decorations. I'll color the cardboard cap with markers. Nice! Decorating the gold and green ones with rhinestones. Final touch, tassels. Caps are ready. Time for graduation. Wow, it's our moment.
This one's mine!
It looks great on you, Zoe. Me too. Here you go. Oh, you all look adorable. Mira, here's your cap. Now I'm a real graduate. The diploma ceremony begins.
Yay! Me first, me first! I want to thank my mom, my dad, and my besties.
I'm so happy. This is the best day of my life. Thank you, everyone. We did it! Thank you so much, Mrs. White. But that's not all. We prepared a surprise.
A graduation concert.
OMG! Wow!
Huntrix is the best!
Hip hip hooray! Oh, I'm so proud of my girls.
Never stop it, Rumi loves it, come and shop